Well, look at this. Nobel Prize winners for 2018. Now, this is interesting. They found that there's a protein on the surface of killer T cells that actually keeps them from attacking cancer cells so that they don't get too over anxious and attack all the different kinds of cells in the body. And maybe they can suppress that. That would be kind of cool because then your own immune system could kill cancer cells. But then they go on to another winner in chemistry that puts evolution on the fast forward. Okay, now what they have done is they actually take, and they're calling it directed evolution, they actually mutate a bunch of genes, stick them in the bacteria cells, and then they pick the bacteria cell where the genes, the different mutations work, whichever one works best for whatever their substance they're trying to get the bacteria to produce. And they're saying this is the way nature does it, but faster. This is intelligent design. It's not evolution. And so they're making this happen. I don't know how the delusion works. I would call it self-delusion, except I know there's someone besides themselves who's behind this, and it's the devil. Yeah, I'll go right ahead and say it's the devil. He's the one making them think, oh yes, we can build this tower. We can do anything now. We have make a monument to ourselves. We'll make these bacteria, God's creations, do what we want. And you know, that's just true. We can breed horses and cattle and pigs and everything for the kind of features we want, race horses and beef cattle and I don't know, better ribs pigs. But this is the same thing we're doing with the bacteria, only we're doing some genetic engineering. This is not um, uh, evolution the way it happens according to the Darwinian theory, the idea that mutation is random and natural selection happens. Nothing random about this. They're even calling it directed. And then they're saying, well, this is the way nature does it. We're just doing it faster. No, that's delusionary. That's making believe their theory is true. Again, just an ipso facto sort of a tacit agreement that we're right and we're going with that for the rest of our science careers. Don't you do that with anything. You don't want to be guilty of self-delusion. So to keep you from doing that, keep thinking. God bless. Dr. J.